Hi students, today I am going to discuss exercise 9.5 from your textbook Math Says by Pearson, chapter number 9, Comparing Quantities. In this exercise, we based the questions based on two formulas. First one is increased amount, it's equal to original amount into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. Here r is the rate of increase and n is the time period. And decreased amount, to get the decreased amount, we use the formula decreased amount equal to original amount into 1 minus r by 100 whole power n. Here r is rate of decrease and n is the time period. So this exercise, all questions based on only these two formulas. Our first question is, the cost of an antique vase increases by 6% every year. If its current price is rupees 2500, what will be its price after 3 years? So here the original amount is given, it is 2500 and the cost is increased by 6% and the price after 3 years. So here we will use the first formula, increased amount equal to original amount into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. Here r is, that means rate of increase is 6% and number of years n equal to 3 and original amount is equal to 2500. You substitute. So price after 3 years is equal to original amount into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. Here original amount equal to 2500 into 1 plus 6 by 100 whole power n. It's equal to 2500. 1 plus 6 by 100 we can write as 106 by 100 whole cube. So 2500 into 106 by 100 into 106 by 100 into 106 by 100. Our final answer is equal to 2977.54 rupees. Our next question is, a car was bought in current 2015 for rupees 3 lakh. If the value of the car depreciates by 5% each year, find its worth in the year 2018. So now in the current year, it is 2015. In the current year, it is 3 lakh. And the value of the car depreciates, that means it decreases by 5% each year. Find its worth in the year 2018. So 2015 and 2018, that means 2018 minus 2015, there are 3 years. So we have to find out the depreciated amount after 3 years, that means decrease amount after 3 years. So here the original price is 3 lakh, decreased percentage 5% every year, and the time period we can calculate 2018 minus 2015, it's equal to 3 years. Now price after 3 years, we use the formula decrease amount. To get the decrease amount, we will use original amount into 1 minus r by 100 whole power n. Here r is rate of decrease, n is the time period. So 3 lakh into 1 minus 5 by 100 whole cube is equal to 3 lakh into 95 by 100 whole cube is equal to 3 lakh into 95 by 100 into 95 by 100 into 95 by 100 is equal to 2,57,212.5 rupees. This is the decreased amount. Now our next question. An engineering college has 5,000 students in 2016. If the strength of the students increases at a rate of 4% every year, find the number of students in 2018. So in the question it is given that the number of students in 2016, and if the strength of the students increases of a rate of 4% every year, find the number of students in 2018. So we have to find out the number of students in 2018. So number of students in 2016 is equal to 5,000. Now our question is, find the number of students in 2018. Then rate of increase is equal to 4%. So to get number of students in 2018, it's equal to number of students in 2016 into 100 plus 4 by 100 whole square. Here 2 years. 2018 minus 2016 is equal to 2 years. So number of students in 2016 into 100 plus 4 by 100 whole square. So this is equal to 5000 into 104 by 100 into 104 by 100. It's equal to 5408 students. So the number of students in 2018 it's equal to 5408. Fourth one, in 2016, the number of tourists who visited a hill station was 50 lakh. It increased by 4% every year following 2016. Find the number of tourists who visited the hill station in 2019. In the question, it is given that in 2016, the number of tourists is equal to 50 lakh. And every year, it is increasing by 4%. So, the rate of increase is equal to 4%. And number of tourists in 2016, it's equal to 50 lakh. Now, our question is the number of tourists visited in 2019. That means the time period equal to 2019 minus 2016. It's equal to 3 years. So, to get the number of tourists visited in 2019 is equal to 50 lakh into 1 plus 4 by 100 whole cube. Here 3 is the time period, 4 is the rate of increase. So, this is equal to 50 lakh into 104 by 100 whole cube. It's equal to 50 lakh into 104 by 100 into 104 by 100 into 104 by 100. It's equal to 56 lakh 24,320 tourists visited in 2019. Now our next question, fifth one. The price of a mobile phone depreciates at a rate of 6% every year. If its current cost is rupees 20,000, what will be its price after 4 years? Here the price of mobile phone is decreasing and now the current price it is equal to 20,000 and every year it decreases by 6%. Our question is price after 4 years. So price after 4 years, we will use the formula decrease percentage is equal to original amount into 1 minus R by 100 whole power n. Here R is equal to 6 and n equal to 4 and current amount equal to 20,000. You substitute, we will get 20,000 into 1 minus 6 by 100 is equal to 94 by 100 whole power 4 is equal to 20,000 into 94 by 100 into 94 by 100 into 94 by 100 into 94 by 100. So, after 4 years, if it decreases by 6%, the price after 4 years equal to 15,614.98. This is the price after 4 years. Our next question, sixth one. The fare for a certain route of buses increases at a rate of 10% each year. If the current fare is rupees 5, find the fare after 2 years. Current fare is given as 5 rupees and the increase percentage is equal to 10%. We have to find out fare after 2 years. So we use the formula increase amount equal to original amount into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Here R is 10, original amount equal to 5 and yes, n equal to 2 years. So this is equal to 5 into 1 plus 10 by 100 whole square. It's equal to 5 into 11 by 100 into 11 by 100. It's equal to 6.05 rupees. Our next question is, the population of bacteria in a culture is increasing at the rate of 3% per hour. Find the approximate population of bacteria at the end of 2 hours if initially it was 4,50,000. So now the amount of bacteria is equal to 4,50,000 and it increasing at the rate of 3% per hour. Our question is find the number of bacteria after 2 years. So initial amount of bacteria is equal to 4,50,000. Increase percentage is equal to 3% per hour. Now amount of bacteria after 2 hours is equal to original amount into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. It's equal to 4,50,000 into 1 plus 3 by 100 whole square. It's equal to 4,50,000 into 103 by 100 whole square. Our answer is 4,77,405. So amount of bacteria after 2 hours is equal to 4,77,405. Next question, 8th one. The value of a residential flat constructed at a cost of rupees 10 lakh is appreciating at the rate of 10% every year. What will be its approximate value after 4 years? So here the current construction cost is rupees 10 lakh and the cost is increasing 10% every year. Appreciate meaning increasing 10% every year. Now our question is, what is the construction cost after 4 years? So increase amount, we have to find out the increased amount. So the construction cost after 4 years is equal to, original amount is 10 lakh into 1 plus 10 by 100 whole power 4 after 4 years. So n equal to 4. So 10 lakh into 110 by 100 whole power 4. So after calculation we will get 14,64,100 rupees is the construction cost after 4 years. Last one, 9th one. The population of a town increased at the rate of 5% per year consecutively for 2 years. Then, due to an epidemic in the 3rd year, the population decreased at the rate of 1.5% for the next 3 years. What is the current population of that town? It was 23,45,000 5 years ago. So, if it is, we have to find out the current population of that town. If it was 23,45,000 5 years ago. So here before 5 years the population is 23,45,000. Before 5 years it is 23,45,000. Then our question is, what is the current population? That means what is the present population? Here first the population increased for 2 years. For 2 years the population is increased. Then after that 2 years the population is decreased for 3 years. Due to some epidemic the population is decreased after 2 years. So we have to find out the current population. So first you find out the after 2 years what is the population and then find after 3 years. So population before 5 years it's equal to 23,45,000. Then it is increased by 5%. So increased percentage is equal to 5%. Now after 2 years the population equal to 23,45,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 whole square. It's equal to 23,45,000 into 105 by 100. 105 by 100 it's equal to 25,85,362.5. Now this is the population after 2 years. Now the question is current population. So we have to find out the population for 3 years also. So at that time there will be decreased percentage is equal to 1.5%. Then after 3 years population equal to 25,85,362.5 into 1 minus 1.5 by 100 whole cube. It's equal to 25,85,362.5 into 98.5 by 100 whole cube. So after simplification we will get, after 3 years it's equal to 24,70,757.58. This is the population after 5 years. After 2 and 3 years, that means after 5 years the population equal to 24,70,757.58. Okay students, thanks for watching.